Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and today I'm going to show you how to get old Chrome UI. So guys, today I'm going to show you some practical ways in order for you to do this process. So first thing is you can just simply open up the Chrome, and now here on the Chrome, you can just simply go to the Chrome flags settings. So just simply provide Chrome // flags / and now it will redirect you over here. And now from here there are multiple keywords that you could search. First one is smooth scrolling, and now from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, default. So in order for you to get back to the old UI, you can just simply select disable, and now from here you just simply relaunch the Chrome in order for you to take it an effect or to apply the changes. Now, another keyword that you could try, Chrome refresh. So from here, some of you guys will have multiple Chrome refresh options. Here, you could just simply also disabled everything about Chrome refresh, and mostly this can get back to the old UI. So make sure it is disabled. Now another keyword that you could try is customize Chrome side panel. And if you have an option over here, make sure to disable that as well. And pretty much these are some practical ways in order for you to get back to the old UI, and make sure to relaunch it down below to apply your changes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.